All right, guys. So you're going to start with a look at again, just like you did yesterday. I added some more questions. So let's just talk about the ones. I actually did screw up on some questions yesterday. I had a couple little mistakes, so don't judge me. But this one was actually wrong on the answer. So I already had 2 cups of coffee, and then I drink 1 coffee every hour. I already had 2 cups of coffee. Already had 2 cups of coffee. You see what I'm pointing at? That's the y-intercept. The y-intercept, okay? Then I drink 1 cup of coffee every hour. That is the slope. The slope is the change that's happening. Okay. As I keep going a little bit, I had a gift card with $100 on it, and then I spend $20 every hour. Spending. I'm spending money, so I am having a negative slope. Spending money. The money's going away. I have $100, but it's going to slowly dwindle. And if it's every hour, how many hours would it take for me to spend my entire gift card? If I had to spend $20 every hour, well, 1 hour would be 20, two would be 40, three would be 60, four would be 80, 5 hours would be 100. So if I put 5 here, 5 times negative 20, that'd be negative 100, and y would equal 0. Just throwing that out there. Oh, what about this last one? I started a bank account and put $40 in it each week. I started a bank account and put $40 in it each week. Interesting. All right. $40 in it each week. There's no y-intercept. All right, so it's just 40x. All right, do the best you can on this. When you finish this, I want you guys to work together, but a little twist. Your name and your partner's name, but you're both going to get this. You're both going to get this sheet of paper. And what I want you guys to do is say, okay, let's both work on number 1 on our own. Let's get to an answer, and let's compare our answer with each other. Let's both get to an answer for number 2, look at each other, compare our answers. Let's both get to an answer for number 3, and so on, okay? So you're both working on it at the same time, and then you're looking at it and comparing your answers, okay? This should be helpful. As you keep working, my computer kind of glitched. I hope it's still working. Yeah. So honestly, you shouldn't have too much trouble with these two. Maybe you can ask Miss Alonso or ask another partner if you're struggling. But the whole idea is to work together on this. When you're working together, you're going to be able to do more. Okay. Then I have a back of this sheet. I want you to flip it over and then go ahead and start the Jeopardy. And as you finish your Jeopardy questions on that sheet, your homework is this quizzes. And the quizzes is actually pretty simple, but I want to make sure you finish it. Okay. Suppose the bike rents for $4 plus 150 per hour. Super simple, 2 options. But as you keep going down, you're going to see some other questions. What type of slope? That's pretty simple. But what about questions like this where it says find the slope and you actually have to plug it in? All right. Y minus y over x minus x. There's a couple of those on there. Do the best you can. All right, you guys. Have a good Tuesday. This is your homework.